Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Mary, the farm girl. Today I want to show you how to write your cover letter well. Well, in the last 2 or 3 videos we looked at how you can write your resume in the Canadian format or in the Canadian style so that you can increase the chances of you getting hired or getting a job offer in Canada. So right now, I want to show you how you can write your cover letter, because remember, a cover letter and a resume, these two documents, they go hand in hand. And if you do not know how to do them correctly, then it is going to affect your chances of getting hired or getting that job offer, because there are so many people competing for these jobs and you need to stand out at the very list. You need to stand out among all other applicants. So how do you write your cover letter to make sure that you get the job offer? Number 1, you have to write your name in this section that I have included here. So you write your name on the top so that the employer is going to see who you are. Then you indicate your international phone number. This, I explained, is to help that person or that employer to reach you faster than they would if they were using your local telephone number. Then you indicate your email address, whereby they are going to send you the email or the job requirements and the job offer requirements in case they decide to give you a job offer. After that, you include your postal address and the city, and then the link to your LinkedIn profile. So a LinkedIn profile is very important when you are applying for Canadian jobs, whether you are applying as a housekeeper, as a manager, as a farm worker, or anything for that matter, because this is where you're going to be connecting with Canadian employers in their LinkedIn profile. So after you have written this information, you skip this line over here. Then you come and write, "Dear hiring manager," and it is good to go and search for the exact name of the hiring manager of the company that you're going to be applying to, because remember, if you address somebody or the hiring manager with their name, it feels more personal and it gains, or it helps them gain that connection with you. So you do some research online and identify the name of the hiring manager of the company you're willing to write to. You avoid saying "to whom it may concern." You can find the manager's name or the department head's name on the company's website in the section called leadership or LinkedIn profiles. Then the first paragraph, you're going to state your name and explain briefly the reason you are applying for. You consider highlighting your passion for the industry, company, or the advertised role. So you may also highlight you are the best candidate based on your expertise or skills. You should show that you understand the company by mentioning how you align with their mission, values, the cultures, and this information is available in the company's websites. So in this part of the letter, you should include more information about the company so that the employer can see that you have really done your research, you have done your homework, and you're very, very interested to work for them. So this will also show the employer that you understand what the company does and who they are in general. In the second paragraph, use this portion to explain why you are the best candidate for this role and the company at large. So you make your application stand out by using specific skills indicated in the job description to show your qualifications. This also aligns with what you're going to be doing with your resume. You read the job description properly, you ensure you understand what they are asking for, and then you use that information to say that you qualify for the job. Remember, the goal here is to get this employer to hire you, to give you that job offer. So you need to show them that you really understand the assignment, you understand what they want you to do by repeating. In fact, this is just repeating what they are going to ask you to be doing. If, for example, they need you to go and do managerial tasks, just mention right there that you know how to do managerial tasks, and then you mention the skills they have asked for, then you're going to be qualifying for the job. I know you have the experience, or probably you don't have the experience for the job you're going to look for, but you need to get to Canada, don't you? Use that information to make your application stand out. After that, you read the requirement section perfectly. You provide the examples of how you have experience in these roles. So in the second paragraph, you should use this portion to explain why you are the best candidate for this role and the company at large. You make your application stand out by using specific skills indicated in the job description to show your qualifications. You should read the requirements section perfectly and provide examples of how you have experiences in this role. For example, if they want a farm worker to spray, cultivate and irrigate crops, operate and maintain machinery and equipment, or even harvest crops, show them that you qualify by stating how you have cultivated crops before for X number of years or months. It could be you don't even have this experience, but you know how to do them in a, let's say, company that is recognized, or you are not even employed, but basically you know how to do these simple jobs like cultivating and irrigating crops. Indicates that you know that and you have done for X a number of years. If they have stated a certain crop like berries, you state you have done similar work in a berry farm, at home or in a company. Be sure to remain truthful. However, if you do not know, you have no idea how to cultivate crops, do not go there saying that you do know, because when you arrive there and you do not know, then it's going to be a problem. So you show extra miles that you have done before to maintain high quality products, such as keeping farm records, and you consider adding figures to make your work more enticing. After you have written that paragraph, then you'll end your cover letter with by thanking the recruiter for this time and his consideration. Then you express your interest in the role and the company at large. Then you should keep the cover letter very professional. After that, you finish with the statement, then sincerely yours, and then your name and a full stop. Remember to put this comma that is over here. Most people forget about this comma, and grammatical errors contribute so much to people not getting jobs in Canada. So that is how you formulate your cover letter. If you think this is a good way to use, or if you think you can use this same format, you can just pause the video, remove the audio and read it quietly, or just copy paste whatever I have written for you. It is okay. I don't have a problem with that. I just want you to get a hold of a job offer so that an employer can consider your application more. Remember to also maintain the cover letter as a single page. Don't add any other information. As you can see, this is just a single page. And also do not include your information like your how many years old, your pictures. You should not put your passport. Those documents are not necessary. So that is how you write your cover letter, and I hope you will get hired in Canada. And until next time, bye bye.